try this again. Thunder and lightning out. And let's play around there, and parents are stupid and let them out there. Oh, really raining now. Phoenix! Oops, just see, I don't know if I got on the camera, it was a flash. Spring storm on the St. Lawrence River. Two-thirds. I'm gonna get a good bolt of lightning on there. People walking right there. Should have known, seen that lightning come. Thunder lightning, should have known it was gonna pour. And the stuff you could be undercover with. A gazebo over there. I'm glad we got rain now. From today when the truck's supposed to be working. Yep, you can hear the bell going off. Ooh, we got it. Oh, I got that baby. Yeah. 13 mark. Oh yeah, I got that baby. Well, Phoenix cat, I don't think the cat likes it, but you know, loud noise is understandable.